Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that your phone, your car, even your fridge all know what you need before you even ask. That's not magic. That's artificial intelligence, or AI. And if you've ever wondered how it actually works and why it's changing everything around us, this video will explain it all in simple, beginner-friendly language in just a few minutes. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI? In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence is when machines learn to think and make decisions like humans. It is when computers are programmed to analyze data, recognize patterns, and make choices, sometimes even better than people can. If you've ever used Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, that's AI. If Netflix recommends shows you will love, or Amazon predicts what you might buy next, that is AI too. But how do these machines learn? That's where the magic of machine learning comes in. Machine learning is a branch of AI where systems learn automatically from data without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Let's say you want a computer to recognize pictures of cats. You feed it thousands of images, some with cats, some without. Over time, the AI studies the patterns, the fur, the ears, the shape, and learns to identify cats on its own. The more data it sees, the smarter it becomes. That's how AI gets better, by learning from experience, just like humans do. But there's another, more advanced level: deep learning. Deep learning uses a special type of system called a neural network, inspired by the human brain. These networks are made up of layers of neurons that process information in stages. Think of it like how your brain recognizes a face. Your eyes see colors and shapes first. Then your brain combines them into something familiar. Similarly, deep learning. I can process complex information like understanding speech, generating images, or even writing text, the kind you're reading right now. Now let's look at how AI impacts your daily life, because whether you realize it or not, you're already surrounded by it. When you scroll through social media and see personalized content, that's AI deciding what you'd likely engage with. When you use Google Maps and it predicts traffic or suggests faster routes, that's AI analyzing real-time data. When your phone unlocks using face recognition, that's deep learning at work. From email spam filters to voice to text typing, AI has quietly become the invisible force behind modern technology. But AI isn't just about convenience. It's revolutionizing entire industries. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical scans faster and more accurately than doctors in some cases. It can predict diseases before symptoms even appear. In finance, AI helps detect fraud, automate trading, and analyze market data at lightning speed. In education, personalized learning platforms use AI to adapt lessons based on a student's progress. And in transportation, AI is the backbone of self-driving cars, analyzing road conditions and making split-second decisions to keep passengers safe. Now, you might wonder if AI can do all this. Does it mean it's conscious or alive? The answer is no, not yet. AI doesn't feel emotions or have awareness. It doesn't dream or have opinions. It's simply a tool, an incredibly powerful one, designed to process information and make predictions. It's logic, not life. However, researchers are working toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which would allow machines to think and reason at a human level across any task. That's still far away, but every breakthrough gets us a little closer. Let's talk about the different types of AI so you can understand where we are today. There are generally three categories. The first is narrow AI, also called weak AI. This is the type of AI we have right now: systems that can perform specific tasks extremely well, like language translation, image recognition, or playing chess. Siri, ChatGPT, and self-driving car software all fall into this category. The second is general AI, which doesn't exist yet. That's when a machine can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across multiple fields like a human. The third and most theoretical is superintelligent AI, a system that surpasses human intelligence in every possible way. While that might sound like science fiction, many experts believe it could become reality in the next few decades. So how exactly does AI think? Let's break it down. Every AI system starts with data, massive amounts of it. Think billions of images, videos, transactions, or conversations. The AI processes that data using algorithms, step-by-step instructions that tell the computer how to find patterns or relationships. Once it identifies patterns, it can make predictions like which ad you will click, or what word you are likely to type next. And when AI gets feedback, like when it is right or wrong, it adjusts and improves its accuracy over time. That's the beauty of learning machines. They evolve through practice. But with all this power, AI also brings challenges and risks. Let's be honest, AI is not perfect. Sometimes it learns biases from the data it is trained on. For example, if a hiring AI is trained mostly on male resumes, it might unintentionally favor male candidates. Or if a facial recognition system is trained with limited diversity, it may perform poorly on certain skin tones. This is why ethical AI is such a big topic right now. Developers must ensure that AI is fair, transparent, and used responsibly because these systems now influence real human lives. Another big concern is job automation. AI is incredibly efficient at tasks like data entry, analysis, and even content creation. That means many repetitive jobs could eventually be replaced by machines. But here's the good news. History shows that every major technology shift also creates new jobs. AI will eliminate some roles, yes, but it will also create opportunities in programming, data science, AI ethics, robotics, and creative industries. The future belongs to people who learn how to work with AI, not against it. Now let's look at the exciting side, AI creativity. You might think creativity is something only humans can do, right? Well, think again. AI can now paint, write poetry, compose music, and even design buildings. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate stunning images from text prompts. ChatGPT can write essays, scripts, and stories. AI music platforms can compose songs in any genre. It's like giving machines the power to imagine, but based on data, not emotion. So where's AI headed next? In 2025 and beyond, AI will continue to blend into everyday life quietly, but powerfully. Expect smarter personal assistants that understand emotions and tone. Expect AI doctors that diagnose you instantly. Expect AI-powered education systems that adapt perfectly to your learning style. And yes, expect new forms of creativity and communication that we can't even imagine yet. But remember, AI is only as good as the humans behind it. The real power lies not in replacing us, but in enhancing what we can do. Now, let's be clear, the rise of AI doesn't mean the end of humanity. It means a new beginning. We're stepping into an age where human intelligence and artificial intelligence will work together, amplifying each other's strengths. AI can analyze, predict, and compute. Humans can feel, dream, and empathize. Together, that combination could solve some of the biggest problems on the planet, from climate change to disease to poverty. But here's something to keep in mind. AI is a mirror. It reflects our values, our biases, and our ambitions. If we build it with greed, it will serve greed. If we build it with wisdom, it will serve humanity. The choice isn't up to machines. It's up to us. So the next time you see a headline about AI taking over the world, remember this. AI isn't magic. It's math. It's logic. It's the result of humans teaching machines how to learn from experience. And the more we understand it, the better we can shape its future and ours. Artificial intelligence isn't something to fear. It's something to understand, to guide, and to use wisely. Because when used right, AI won't replace people. It will empower them. And that's the real power of artificial intelligence. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who's curious about AI, and subscribe for more videos that make complex ideas simple. Because understanding the future starts with one thing, curiosity. And the future of AI? It's only just beginning.